Hello everybody, and welcome back to Slow English Learning. Join me as we walk through Kingly Vale National Park in Sussex, England. I woke up early this morning in order to avoid the crowds. Today is a bank holiday, meaning most workers get the day off. No doubt by lunchtime the hills will be swarming with keen hikers and dog walkers. So I got out of bed early and skipped breakfast in order to enjoy the peaceful mornings that nature brings and hopefully see some wildlife. It is very cloudy this morning. The sky is covered in thick grey cloud. The forecast says there is only a slight chance of rain, but the clouds look dark and angry. Let's hope we stay dry. Bella, the dog, is stiff and slow at the start of the morning. She is getting old and can't move as quickly as she once could. But once she is warm, she will walk for hours and hours. She loves being outside, just like me. What is over here to the left? A well-walked path. Let's see where it leads. A giant yew tree. This is what we are looking for. And sticks piled high. I wonder why. A little detour. Let's get back onto the track. Follow Bella. I think she knows the way. My camera has glitched in this video. The sky is so dark that it has caused a flicker. Sorry, viewers. This dog up ahead looks very happy this morning. Be friendly, Bella.
Morning.
It is very typical to say good morning while walking on the trails. Is it common in your country? There are lots of friendly and cheerful people here in England. It's hard not to be cheerful when enjoying the fresh air, good company, and having a day off work. We are approaching Kingly Vale National Park. Here is the gate to Kingly Vale National Park. Let's go through the gate. Kingly Vale is one of the most important nature reserves in southern England. It is famous for its ancient yew forest, which is one of the oldest in Europe. The park is home to many types of wildlife, including birds, insects, and deer. People visit to walk, relax, and enjoy nature. The landscape has open hills, woodlands, and quiet paths. This is my first time here, and I'm just as excited as you are. Someone has left logs on this flat land for people to sit and relax. Very kind. Let's keep going though. We will rest later. Straight ahead, I think these are yew trees. Great big yews. I read that some of these yew trees are over 2,000 years old. That's difficult to imagine. Did you see that? A pheasant. I think I just scared him and woke him up. A bit of a tough wake up, like an alarm clock, except the alarm clock can walk on you. I am deep in the ancient yew forest now. I have chosen the more inconvenient path in order to get the best views of the trees. The camera is struggling to produce a consistent picture for you. It is dark and hidden here. Let's walk and explore this ancient forest. Very spooky. Do you see the holes from old branches? They have concaved inwards. How peculiar. These trees grow in such unusual ways. This place gives off an eerie feeling. Look at the shape of the branches, the way they curve and bend. They are very fragile to touch. They snap easily. Branches grow from all angles and heights up this tree. Look at this yew tree. Isn't it marvelous? The trunk is only about a meter from the ground. Then it opens up like a flower in blossom. It winds and curves in every direction. It looks unworldly. The branches are so long and heavy that they slither along the ground. I am glad there is a path to follow. You could get lost very easily. Everything looks the same. It may be getting hard to notice on the video, but this path is going uphill. It is on a steep gradient. I am getting tired and slowing down. Can you notice the change in my steps? Look to the left. Someone has placed rocks and an arrow pointing uphill. I didn't see this at the time. It must lead to a better path. This forest reminds me of the film The Lord of the Rings, The Two Towers. When they enter the ancient forest and meet the ants. Do you know what I'm talking about? If you don't, you should watch that film. Careful here, dodging the branches. I am weaving and ducking around the yews. This is such a unique walk we are having this morning. This tree to the right has died and fallen over. I wonder if it has something to do with the black fungus growing on it. It looks rather deadly. I won't be touching it. Trees fall and trees sprout anew, like all things in life. Yew trees grow very slowly and can live for thousands of years. Their wood is strong and flexible. Yew trees were traditionally used to make longbows in England. Did you know that most parts of the yew tree are poisonous to humans and animals? Kingly Vale National Park contains one of the oldest yew tree forests in Europe. Some trees here are 2,000 years old. The forest is protected to preserve its rare ecosystem. Rhythm and rhyme help us understand and remember. Here is a poem by Thomas Beddoes to remind you of what you've learned in this video. We do lie beneath the grass, in the moonlight, in the shade of the yew tree. They that pass hear us not, we are afraid. They would envy our delight and our graves by glowworm night. Come follow us and smile as we sail to the rock in the ancient waves, where the snow falls by the thousands into the sea, and they drowned, and the shipwrecked have happy graves. Watch your feet, Bella. These things are prickly. They'll hurt your feet if you're not careful. I had to pull a thorn out of her foot the other day. Poor girl. My fault, really. I should take her on better paths. Almost there. Tiptoe through the thorns. Ouch. We made it out. Flat ground again. That was a very awkward walk. Stunning, but tricky to navigate. Flat ground again. This looks like the common path. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. It really does help the YouTube algorithm. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Take care, everybody, and good on ya.